Rudrakhyam, Kadagam, Ushti, Kartalimkham, Shugadundam, Kapithagam, Hamsapaksham, Shikharam, Hamsasyam, Anjali, Arthachandram, Muguram, Pramaram, Sujimukham, Pallavam, Tripatakam, Mrugashirsha, Sarpashirasa, Vardhamanagam, Adalam, Urnanapam, Mugulam, Kadagamukham. These hand gestures do not have any meaning. It is same like the alphabets in any language. But the hand gesture Hamsapaksha and Mrugashirsha do not have any meaning if performed separately. But by connecting this Hamsapaksha and Mrugashirsha with body movements, eye movements, and facial expression, you can see a beautiful animal, deer in the forest, a dancing deer.